Welcome to fantastic golf holes and where to find them. Join us as we journey to the Mornington Peninsula in Australia. Located just an hour from Melbourne, the Mornington Peninsula is a world-class golfing destination. The area is famous for its wineries, restaurants, beaches, and so much more. And tucked in the sand dunes by the sea, in an area known as the Cups, the peninsula boasts a magnificent collection of seriously good golf links. Prominent amongst these is the dunes. The Cups region is perfect for golf, and architect Tony Cashmore has let the land dictate his design. The two nines loop around in such a way as to expose play to winds from all directions. The course is challenging enough for even the best, yet playable by all. It is the second shot course, with wide fairways keeping everybody in the game. And a variety of well-bunkered green complexes to keep you on your toes. We love the opening hole with its narrow tee. You have to get your line and length sorted out of the blocks to have a decent approach. And the dramatic bunkering on the second hole sets the tone early in the round. But it is the par 5 12th hole which impressed us the most. The tee shot desperately needs to stay on the fairway, and the further up the fairway the better. The line for the uphill second shot is absolutely critical. It's a blind shot over a massive cluster of bunkers to a fairway that winds around them in an arc. Just how much do you take on? The green is well protected by more cavernous bunkers, so the shorter the approach, the better. It's a hole that demands decisions. It's a fantastic golf hole.